Shetal.
Nakul.
And what's your name, kiddo?
Krish.
What brought you here at the XCM Property Roadshow?
Oh, we're just looking out the properties in India. Heard a lot. It's growing. The market is growing. So I thought let's look into it.
Where in India are you planning to look for the property?
We're thinking of Bombay at present. Let's see.
All right.
Or Pune.
Or Pune.
Yeah.
Good to know.
Yeah.
So let me ask, what do you miss most about India?
Oh, people out there, social contacts, the crowd. The crowd.
Family.
Naren.
Naren, and you are?
Saurabh.
And you are? Okay, what brought you here at the Property Roadshow?
So I just came to find out the loans, what is the rates,
Okay.
etc.
So from
What are the-
Citibank? From
Oh,
Citibank?
No, I don't know who is there. Just now I entered, so I had to find out.
That's information.
Right.
Okay, I'm giving you. All right, how about you?
Yeah, I'm just looking for what options are there in different cities. I need to still, we just entered, it's just 2 minutes now, so yeah, we need to explore further. Yeah.
Where in India are you basically looking for?
I'm looking at either in Bangalore or in Madras.
And how about you?
I'm just accompanying these two people.
Okay, then let me ask you what you miss most about India.
Home is there, so that's what I miss most.
All right. How about you?
Yeah, I want to get back at some point in time, so yeah, so this is probably the best time to buy one. And then,
All right, I like it. And how about you? What do you miss about India?
People, my relatives, that's it.
My name is Shubhashish.
And you are?
Chandrani.
What brought you here at the XCM Property Roadshow?
Basically, it's the advertisement that we saw, and we were thinking of buying some property over there in India.
In India. Where in India?
We are looking for in Kolkata as well as in Pune.
What do you actually miss in India?
Kolkata, basically, I'll say my friends, relatives, and Mishti Doi.
Kaun si mishti?
Kalakan, Rasgulla.
Rasgulla. Okay, here you go. How about you?
The same thing. But mainly because being a Bengali, we love fish. So all the fish.
How about you? What's your name?
Gargi,
Karki, what do you miss about India or Kolkata?
my brothers.
Oh, okay. So, did you tell them you're going to meet them soon?
Yeah.
Did you tell them you're buying a property so you can really meet them soon? What's your name?
My name is Faye.
Okay, let me ask you, Faye, what do you miss most about India?
I miss the beautiful sceneries.
Okay, and which is your favorite city?
Deloji or I think that's
Deloji?
Yes, Deloji.
Okay. You been there?
Yes, I have.
So how come you don't remember the name?
Because I forget.
Indrajit, what do you miss most about India?
From Punjab. Yeah, I love Punjab.
Who is your favorite actor or actress?
Shah Rukh Khan.
And which is
Hona Ho.
And not having much information as what going on, I came to see what properties are available in Bombay specifically.
So should I think you're looking for property in Bombay?
Yeah, I'm looking for properties in Bombay.
Properties. All right, like to hear that. Good. They would love to see you and meet you. How about you?
Pretty much the same thing. Trying to invest in India, and real estate is a sure investment.
All right. So what do you miss most about India?
Catching up with all the developments. I'm pretty much out of touch with what's happening there. So.
Good. How about you? What do you miss most?
Miss most? I miss the festivals a lot. So being over here, the family's over there, parents are over there. So the fun, the activity, the madness that goes on in the cities. And me being from Bombay, you can't compare Bombay to any other city.
My name is Deepa.
So you miss the food?
The food and the people.
And the people. Okay, which is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is probably gobi Manchurian, the Indo-Chinese. Anything Indian.
Anything. Oh, awesome. I like it. So where in India are you looking for property?
Bangalore.
In Bangalore. Okay. What's the specialty of Bangalore? Of course, a lot of people know, but I want to ask you.
Town.
Your hometown. Okay, that's why. It's her hometown. How about you?
Same thing. It's my hometown.
All right.
It's my favorite town.
I'm Sundar.
Sundar, what brought you here at the roadshow?
Well, just wanted to check out. One of my friends told me about this. Just came to see what is this.
So do you think the properties would interest you?
Well, I'm just looking at it. I've still not decided, and just looking at it, and just wanted to see how things are these days.
Okay.
Because it's, I'm just seeing all the things through internet and websites.
Right.
So just wanted to come and see how the new India is looking like.
Okay. If it convinces you and you change your mind, where in India are you looking for?
Bangalore.
Okay.
My wife is from Bangalore, and I also used to live in Bangalore. So that's the place I'll be looking for.
So what do you miss about Bangalore the most?
Well, everything. I mean, I used to have a lot of fun there. Great social life. It's a great city. Very young crowd and good social life, good food, good restaurants, good outdoor activities. I'm not saying that I miss outdoor activities or food here, but still, you know, it's your hometown, and so when you have all these things in your hometown, it feels good.
All right, this beautiful lady holding this beautiful information card on India Waves is?
Neeta.
Neeta. All right, Neeta, welcome, welcome. Neeta, what brought you here at the Extreme Property Roadshow?
Oh, just to look at the properties. Obviously, it's a property show, so.
Okay, where are you looking for?
Jaipur, Bombay. But the prices are so high, maybe I should just change my mind.
What do you miss about Jaipur or Bombay?
I haven't been to Jaipur, just my in-laws are there and we're looking at investment property. But Bombay, the lifestyle, the culture, the people out there.
Do you mean you miss your in-laws?
My in-laws are there and we're looking at investment property. I don't want to comment on that.
Okay. How about Bombay?
Oh, Bombay is a lovely place. I mean, the people out there, they're very good. And basically, if you've been there, you would know what kind of city is that.
Okay, what's your favorite food or what's the favorite thing about India that you like or miss?
Favorite thing about India? Well, everything is good. Everything about India is good. I like India. So.
Okay, including her in-laws. All right, thank you so much.